Hey, it's Marilyn Pratt in the SAP Inside Track event here in Newtown Square, and I am doing one of those impromptu style, I don't know, corridor hallway conversations with the inimitable Jim Spath. And we just came out of a session where we were talking about search, and we were talking about ratings, and I don't remember really what other topic we got onto, but it was something interesting, and I said I was going to turn on the camera. Do you recall what we were just talking about now?
Irrepressible, irascible, irreverent. What other I's am I? We were talking about community recognition, about the technologies behind the SAP Community Network, and the kind of personalities of who are contributors and who are critics of contributors. And in the background is the SAP Green building over my left shoulder.
Good lighting.
In Newtown Square. Okay.
Okay, back to me. So in this last session, you said a number of very, very interesting things about your feelings about rankings and ratings. You want to repeat them? Because at the present, we have ratings associated with rich media, with articles.
Right. We started out, there were discussions about additional ratings, rankings by community members, and the benefits and costs of those, from the time spent in developing it to what it means to the contributors and content authors, to what it means to a search engine for later discovery of data. So the session went deep dive into possible improvements in SDN search, categorizations, variety of hierarchy, topology, what's the other word? Tagging improvements, and the
taxonomy, did you
taxonomy,
say?
that too. The sense that adding more filter criteria can help, but it could also possibly hide data. So I threw in a content idea, a filter idea of having moderators, having mentors, having top contributors be a search criteria possible. So if you want to see what a moderator said about a particular topic, or where they might have jumped in on something, you could do that, or you could exclude that. And then we went into the idea of what the points mean, what the community recognition is for time spent on content, and question whether the current system is valid. There are complaints from various sources about, I do a lot of work, I don't get recognized. I happen to put a little bit of work into the sustainability topic, and since almost no one else does in the SAP Community Network, I'm recognized as a top contributor in that area.
Oh, so you've just exposed to the community an opportunity for recognition, because you too can be a top contributor in sustainability if you start producing content more easily than if you do it for ABAP and have to compete with Rich Hallman.
The discussion forum is beginning to grow. I'm a moderator of the sustainability discussion forum. It is beginning to pick up with new SAP products and ideas in the sustainability field. There are now people who are interested in that. I'm going to talk to John Reed, try to do a podcast at some point about career opportunities, because that was a recent question. Now that this is a new product line, a new development area in SAP, people want to know how to get to that. So as a moderator and a contributor, I'm interested in seeing the content, seeing discussions about what is valuable in that product suite, in that space, what's not valuable. From a longer-term development, though, I want to see more people in that field. The book that Vinny Marchandi just published, The New Polymath, he's got a lot of green technology, clean technology content, and it certainly made me think about what are new careers there, what's coming.
Oh, so I smell a new series of blogs or podcasts then.
I want to talk more about that. I don't want to say that I have run the course on Solution Manager as an example, but certainly complaints that all I do is whine about what a terrible product or tool it is. So I want to talk about something that I can contribute to as opposed to completely complaining and running down.
Cool. So if it's going to be about sustainability, you know that you're going to have a fan. Thanks very much, Jim Spath. Here
Thanks.
we are in Newtown Square.
Thanks, Marilyn.
Take care.